Hello, my name is James Welsh and I am your trainer for this course. You're in experienced hands. I practiced as a barrister full-time for a number of years before combining practice and training in advocacy. I've trained thousands of aspiring lawyers for the bar exams, for solicitors assessments, and for those seeking higher rights and those on the bar transfer test route to qualification. I was awarded a professorial seat for this work in 2018. This course will help to prepare you for the advocacy assessments in the SQE2. The course is broken down into 3 subjects: communication, structure, and persuasion. There are 2 levels for each of those 3 subjects. At each level, for each subject, we'll take on 3 topics. You'll be guided through levels 1 and then on to level 2. We will always take communication first, then structure, and finally persuasion. Of course, you can revisit any part of what you've covered as often as you like during the licence period. Once you complete the levels, you can watch mock assessments with our commentary. This course will give you a good grounding in the skills you need to work on in order to pass the advocacy assessments. But we recommend that you practice with us ahead of the assessment. We offer you live online workshops where we guide you through a mock assessment. And you can also book a one-to-one or a small group coaching session in which you will do a mock assessment and get individual feedback and guidance from me or one of our other excellent tutors.